There we go through the Mr. Car Wash. See what it does. Definitely got a good number of brushes. So far they haven't knocked the mirrors forward or anything. Well, that's a good deal. We got two big brushes here. Looks like they're going to try to get down low. Scrubbing the bottom side here a little bit. And we're going through. And that's the last brushes that are going by. And there goes the mirror. Yep, gotta get out and change that. But now we're getting the rinse off. The water shield action. There we go. And then pretty soon we're gonna start going through the blower. And then up front we also have the tire shine as we exit. So they're going to blow off a lot of the water. We got the little drying things, and it gets noisy. That wind gets pretty noisy. We're going to go through it. Then the yellow light's there, that'll tell us the red light, and then off we go. Green light, actually. So once we get that, we're done, and we are done.